Hello, I am exhausted, but I'm going to shoot this last little dinner for you tonight. A quickie, about a half hour. What I'm making for you is scallop burgers. So I have already sauteed garlic, 2 garlic cloves, about a quarter of an onion, a white onion, and just a scant handful of mushrooms, and then some green peppers. So I did that beforehand, and now I'm ready to add the scallops. I did it on a low heat so that I could get like lots of tenderness here. I'm going to add a bunch of scallops. This could probably make 2. So I'm going to crack some fresh ground pepper on top. And then just so you know, while I was waiting, I had a little snack, like an hors d'oeuvre. I just had some shrimp, and I sprinkled a bunch of smoked paprika on top for a pre-dinner dish. I also toasted a hamburger bun, and I'm going to add a topping, because we're doing a burger here. So I'm thinking what I want to add. Maybe like something creamy, like what do you usually have with salmon? If you have like a sauce with it, it's usually something creamy. Let's see, I've got mayonnaise. I could do mayonnaise. I'm thinking though, I want to do, I got this like chive ranch dip. I'm just going to do a little of that, I think. So I'm going to take just a spoonful of this and spread it on the, I think I'm going to make this open face because there's plenty of scallop. I was hungry tonight. Just put, that's a lot. So just like this. So I know it's not the healthiest. If you got just plain ranch or like maybe like a sour cream and chive would be even healthier. Or yogurt would be even healthier. I don't have that. I'm just showing you what you can do. I'm looking for something creamy to put just a little bit on the bun. And then looks like it's ready. This takes about half hour, I'd say. Half hour of your life. That's not bad for a dinner. I know, sometimes we don't feel like cooking. Alright. Now I'm just going to, yeah, I made enough for two. So, actually, let's take a little bite to see how it is. Because we could, I'm debating adding some hot sauce. I don't want to ruin it. It's good. By the way, the lower you cook protein heat, the more tender it will be. Protein is like in a coil, chemically, and when the higher the heat, the more it springs that coil up into a tight little pig's tail. And so that's why, like, when you cook protein in a microwave, that heat is really high and direct, and so that's why it comes out tough often. But this is a beauty. You could add more vegetables if you want. But we got green pepper, mushroom, garlic, onion. So it's like an open-faced scallop burger. One slice of bread, a little fat with that creamy dressing, and then plenty of protein and veggies for your scallop